Effective ways to moisturize your skin naturally. Dry skin can make you look dull and old. It is absolutely essential to provide your skin hydration so that it looks healthy. But it is not just the people with dry skin who need to do this. Not many know that even people with normal combination and oily skin must also moisturize their skin. Many moisturizers are available on shops, but we got some homemade moisturizer that contain fresh nutrients and can provide amazing results. Honey. Honey is one of the best natural moisturizers for skin. It is natural emollient and humectant. Penetrates to the deeper layers of the skin to moisturize it. It also helps in cleaning up your skin pores and restores the dull skin to its natural glow with its antioxidants. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel has plenty of nutrients like vitamin E and vitamin A that are great for the skin. It also contains plant steroids that have anti-inflammatory property. This will help to relieve the itching sensation seen with dry skin. Extract the gel and make sure you smash it nicely and apply it on skin. Milk or buttermilk. Both milk and buttermilk are effective ways to hydrate all skin types. They are quickly absorbed into the skin pore. Additionally, they can help in keeping away wrinkles as well. Apply it generously on the affected area. Keep it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse with lukewarm water. Shea butter. Shea butter is an excellent moisturizer for the skin as it is rich in saturated fatty acid. It also has healing and anti-aging properties. Take a small dollop of shea butter and rub it in between your hands to melt it. Apply this all over the affected area. Massage for a few minutes so that it is absorbed into the skin. Mango butter. Rich in antioxidants and compounds that moisturize the skin, mango butter is fast becoming the next big thing in the skincare industry. It is easily absorbed into the skin and does not leave a greasy residue. Apply the butter all over the skin and massage it in. Leave it on. Use this daily or every alternate day.